Helen Keller and Peninsular last passage. Yesterday we learned about this part. Today I will give you the passage on questions on that passage. So read the passage carefully and complete the activities. Text page book number 40 and 41. Listen carefully. A1 simple factual activity. State the whether following statements are true or false. First statement. One day young Helen understood that everything has a name. Second sentence. Young Helen did not try to put the piece of the doll together. Young Helen felt sorry that she had broken the doll. Helen's eyes filled with tears when she realized what she had done. Now complete the following sentences. The writer and her teacher were attracted by dash. As second sentence, as the cool steam gushed over Helen's hand, she realized that water meant dash. Now passage. We walked down dash until Annie's death. A2 complex factual activities. What were the barriers? How could they be swept away? Then second question. Why did young Helen feel repentance and sorrow? A3 vocabulary based activities. Classify the following words into given column. Words at first: fragrance, attract, stream, learn, earth, enter, sorrow, realize. Classify the words into nouns and verb. Find out the nouns in noun column and find out the verb in verb column. Find out 4 compound words from the lesson. Then A4 grammar language study based activity. Rewrite the following sentences using Helen Keller, young Helen appropriately in place of I and making the other necessary changes in the sentence. First sentence is that on entering the door, I remembered the doll I had broken. Then second sentence, then my eyes filled with tears for I realized what I had done and for the first time I felt repentance and sorrow. Now change the subject I and use Helen Keller or in Helen. Now read the following sentence and frame at least 2 relevant questions on each. We walked down the path to the well house. Make 2 WH questions. Then second sentence, that living word accounted my soul. Make 2 questions. Now complete the following using your own idea. I realized what dash. I don't remember dash. Rewrite the sentence using as soon as. On entering the door, comma, I remember the doll I had broken. Combine the sentence or use as soon as and rewrite the sentence again. Now last A5 question. Next sentence. We walked down the path to the well house. We got attracted by the fragrance of the honeysuckle. Use as soon as. A5 personal response open-ended question. Why should we help for disabled people? So this is the passage you follow in your